I will make a self-correction in the script that just was read, where the question in the script said, has the killer brat's social status been the factor? I would correct that as the killer brat's wealth, because in my view, wealth does not buy social status. Wealth does not buy class. Wealth is not comparable to education and decency. Ladies and gentlemen, tonight, I will prove to you in the course of the debate that the state government of Maharashtra is complicit. I will prove to you in the course of the debate that the Pune police is complicit with the murderer and the murderer's family. And I will also prove to you tonight, and you will be shocked at some of the things I am about to share with you tonight, how people think and state governments think that you can buy everything, including the tragedy that the families of the two techies have been through. So my first question tonight, very serious debate, calls will be open. And I have Suhail Seth with me. I have Tikam Shekhawat, consulting editor of Punekar News with me. I have Avishkar Singhvi, who's a young advocate in the Supreme Court. I have Kishore Tiwari of the Uddhav Sena. I have Adil Khatri of the Bombay High Court. And I have with me PK Jain, former DGP, Advocate Naveen Chomal, criminal lawyer. And my first question is to Krishna Hegde, spokesperson of the Shiv Sena Shinde faction. Mr. Krishna Hegde, I will prove to you that you are fooling the victim's family. And on the one side, you are meeting the victim's family and giving them a 10 lakh rupee check. And on the other hand, you have decided not to challenge this bail application in the Supreme Court. Not only that, you have also decided to not admit before the court that you have brought in incorrect facts as far as the investigation is concerned. You have allowed those incorrect facts to be presented before the court, therefore allowing the court in turn to give him bail. Lastly, Mr. Krishna Hegde and Suhail, you will be shocked, Avishkar, if I tell you something, you will be shocked at what I am about to tell you, because the Maharashtra government says we are concerned, we are standing with the victim's family. Do you know how unfair this is? When we were doing the research on this case, we found out that the police has till date not challenged the original bail order. The police was keeping the murderer in the observation home, and you know what it said, Suhail? Because poor murderer, we are worried about his safety. We are keeping him in an observation home for his safety. We are concerned about the safety of the murderer. And that's why the court said, oh, you are worried about the safety of the murderer. We are also very concerned. So, take him to a safe place, like his aunt's home. Give him chicken biryani first night, ice cream, and make him feel safe. We are all concerned. Eknath Shinde government, High Court, all very concerned about the safety of the murderer.
Unbelievable.
Unbelievable. We are being fooled. We are being fooled. People of India, wake up. This has happened, Suhail. I want your opening remarks.
It is shocking and ironic that the Maharashtra government must realize that the roads are not safe because people are running people over. Prisons are not safe because people could be killed, as in the case that you point out. Where should the citizen go? Arnab, let me first start by saying, hats off to you. It takes tenacity, but more importantly, it takes commitment to continue to pursue a case which has fallen off the map because the rich are involved. Number one. Number two, it is a shame that the Maharashtra government, which, by the way, and the police has been largely widely respected in Maharashtra, for them to do this, it is just beyond imagination. Third, what kind of signal do you send out as a government? What kind of signal do you send out as a chief minister? famously said, Caesar's wife should not only be seen to be above suspicion, she must be above suspicion. Today, what have you done? You have told every rich person in India that he or she can get away. You have told everyone that the law can be manipulated. And I feel sad because, as you said, Arnab, in your opening remarks, I'm delighted we have a great Chief Justice in D.Y. Chandrachud. He should and he will, I'm hopeful,
No, why doesn't
take
he?
suo motu notice.
Why doesn't he?
I'm surprised.
Why doesn't he? Why
I'm
doesn't he?
surprised.
I'm amazed. Krishna Hegde, you just start by telling me one thing. The police made the argument to hold this person, the murderer, in an observation home for his own safety, so that he is, in their words, in a secure environment. Oh, rich murderers must feel very safe, and Eknath Shinde government is very worried about his safety. You thought Krishna Hegde that Arnab Goswami and his research team will not find this out? I found out. Para 14 of the High Court order. What is relevant to note is the pertinent observation in the order to the effect that since the videos of the incident have spread on social media and the person in public have seen it, this person, that is the murderer, shall be safe and secure in an observation home. How safe and secure? How terrible.
Can I come in here?
Viewers, I want the Chief Minister to respond to me tonight. We are not going to let go of this.